Hello, my name is Michael Beinzit. I'm the department leader for race engineering in AVL RACETECH, and in this video I would like to give you a quick introduction into our race engineering services and the services centered around the DiL, the driver in the loop simulator. Let me start out with the trackside and the remote engineering services that we're providing to our customers. We have in our department race engineers, performance engineers and simulation engineers with years of experience in top-level motorsports categories who can help you out if required, and they can execute the job either trackside or remote as it is intended and desired by our customers. Apart from all the trackside work, we also offer engineering services which can be factory-based or even office-based, and I have listed a couple of examples here in the lower part of the slide. For example, we could help you out with race car optimization studies with respect to balance, handling and stability, or aerodynamics, or tire energy. Also, we have done in the past the preparation, execution and the analysis of various tests, such as for example a tire test, an aero test, or even K&C tests. And finally, with the experience of our engineers, we can help you with the optimization of particular components or systems on your race car. We also offer engineering services around the DiL, the driver in the loop simulator. We have the capability to prepare, execute and analyze driver in the loop driving simulator tests together with your engineers and your drivers. That includes, among other things, the necessary correlation of the vehicle model, the coaching of the driver along the day, the setup optimization if that's required, the subsequent data analysis, and of course the reporting. Speaking about the driving simulator, we operate our own driving simulator at our headquarters in Graz, Austria, and we use it, as you can see on the left-hand side, for various purposes. On the engineering side, one of the main topics we are working on is the creation of virtual prototypes of race cars for the evaluation of a new concept. We also work on the development of full vehicles in the virtual reality. We also have a lot of jobs in the controller development and debugging, and also in the target setting for components and subsystems of your vehicle. For drivers, we can of course provide driver coaching and driver training, be it getting used to a new race car or getting used to a new circuit you have never driven on. Obviously, with the vehicle dynamics simulation VSM Race that's in the background, we can also conduct a setup optimization that is tailored to a specific racetrack and a specific driver. Also, strategy approval and energy management is something that we do, especially in those race categories that are in the one way or the other energy limited. Also, we can train drivers with the controllers. Some race categories have rather complex controller algorithms and steering wheel controls, and this is a good possibility to train the driver to get used to it without taking the car out on the track. And finally, we also have quite a bit of experience when it comes to ECU in the loop testing. In this case, we are speaking about the ECU either in hardware or in software. Both is possible. And the main things that we are doing there is software debugging and also the controller development in a safe and repeatable environment. One thing we also offer at our driving simulator in Graz is the biosensor application. That means we equip the driver with the latest medical standard biosensors that are recording his biometrical data while he's driving at the driving simulator, and we have the data from the driver, the biosensor data, in sync with the vehicle dynamics data that are coming from the driving simulator. So it is very easy to see correlations between, for example, a setup that is very easy to drive for a driver versus a setup that is very tricky to drive. You can see differences in the biosensors, in the recordings of the biosensors. The main metrics we are looking at is, on the one hand, the cognitive load under different scenarios and situations. For example, if the driver is under stress because he needs to transfer information to the engineer, or he needs to digest an information that he just got from the engineer. The second thing we're looking at is the attention level, and the third one is obviously the physical stress on the body, on the muscles. From those recordings we can then derive evaluation and the coaching for race drivers. For example, when it comes to what must be the diet, what must be the wake-up process for a driver, maybe in a different time zone, to be at his peak shape when it matters, when he goes into qualifying or into the race. One more thing we are offering for our customers is we offer turnkey DiL solutions for our customers. That means at first we will conduct a hard and a software selection. Our customers tell us what is the purpose that they intend to use the driving simulator for and what is the budget. We know the market very well and we select accordingly the hardware and the software components that we think provide the best solution for our customers. We know the market quite well and we are working with all the relevant suppliers in the market. We give the suggestion to the customer and hopefully the customer will agree and give us the go ahead. Then in the next step, we integrate all the software and the hardware components, we purchase them, we put everything together, make sure everything works together smoothly, and in the end, we install and commission the driving simulator at the customer site and give the customer a ready-to-use system. So this was the quick overview over the race engineering and the DiL services that AVL RACETECH is providing. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.